Where are we heading as a country? If the sort of leaders, the sort of governors we have are not people who want to be accountable, who can obey the rule of law, they don't want to obey court orders, they don't want to respect and honor the judiciary. A couple of days ago, the court ruled regarding the banishment and dethronement of the former emir of Kano, Sanusi Lamido, and ordered Kano State government to pay him a sum of 10 million naira for the embarrassment, the inconvenience, and everything, and also apologize to him. We saw that. We recall how the whole thing happened last year. It was March last year that Kano State government, it was actually Ganduje who did all of that, because we know that it was political when Sanusi started speaking against his government and started outlining some things. Sanusi was a traditional ruler there. He was a traditional ruler, and traditional rulers are not meant to meddle into politics. It's something that there's meant to be a clear cut that this is politics and this is the traditional system. However, Ganduje did not respect that, did not honor that. He went away ahead to dethrone Sanusi, giving reasons of insubordinations and all that he did and all of that. And what the court said was that Ganduje does not have the right to dethrone him and banish him without any court passing a verdict, that he cannot be the judge, he cannot be the court, he cannot be everything in this situation. And also all that he did was an infringement on his fundamental human right, on the fundamental human right of Sanusi. As a result, they called that removal illegal and ordered him all that he needs to do. Surprisingly, what Ganduje now did was that he had to lock up the lawyer, Sanusi's lawyer. He locked him up hours after the court ruled. And let's not forget that yesterday he also stated that he was going to appeal, that he's not taking that decision, that is not happening. These are the people that they don't respect the judiciary. Our judiciary itself, they can be bought. That's the shameful thing, because if a court has already passed that ruling, I wonder where he's going to get another one. That was what the Chief Justice of Nigeria was kicking against, that the judicial system is turning into something else. It's becoming a mockery where we get conflicting court orders. This court is passing this, the next thing you hear, another very high court has passed another order. So Ganduje boasted yesterday. Ganduje is the Gandola. We know he's known as Gandola, the governor that put dollars into his Babariga, collected bribe. That case, they didn't even talk about that case. He's still governor. Yesterday, he boasted that he's not accepting that judgment. As though that is not enough, he now locked up the lawyer. We'll bring all of the details, what is going on right now. But before we do, guys, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Click on the like button. If it's your first time, you're very, very welcome. God bless you. Now into the news. The former emir of Kano State, Sanusi Lamido's legal counsel, Nuruddin Jimoh, was reportedly locked up in his office in Kano on Wednesday, December 1st. Jimoh was the lawyer who led the suit that challenged Sanusi's banishment from Kano State by Governor Abdullahi Ganduje's government in 2020. Nigerian News reports that the Kano State government was on Tuesday, November 30, ordered to apologize to the former emir of Kano, Sanusi Lamido Sanusi, for banishing him to Awe, Nasarawa State after his dethronement on March 9th last year. The directive was issued by Justice Anwuli Chikere of the Federal High Court in Abuja while delivering judgment on a case before her bordering on Sanusi's dethronement and subsequent banishment from Kano State. Justice Chikere held that the action of the Kano State government was not only unlawful, but also a violation of the human rights of Sanusi as contained in Section 34 of the Nigerian Constitution. She submitted that it was wrong for security operatives acting on the directive of the Kano State government to have forcefully moved the former traditional ruler out of Kano. The Punch claimed in a report that Jimoh, while speaking with its correspondent on the phone, alleged that he was locked up and could not come out from his office on Wednesday, saying he notified the Director of State Security. The report quoted a source reacting to the development as saying that the backlash of the judgment against Governor Ganduje and the Sanusi judgment has begun. Nuruddin Jimoh, who is the lead counsel in APC case and part of the legal team for Emir Sanusi, has been attacked by Kano state government. The source, who pleaded anonymity, reportedly said. He disclosed further that a team of policemen and some staff of the Ministry of Land stormed the council's office and locked him inside with a padlock. For now, the council and his staff cannot go in and out of the office as the 2 access gates to his office have been padlocked and sealed. The source, however, stated that the council remained mute and is preparing to get out of the office by scaling the fence and to leave the state for fear of further attack. Another, who also spoke on anonymity, asserted that Jimoh may have been owing tenements which he has not paid, and the authority may have been there to effect the order of sealing the office for non-payment of the purported amount he is owing. Why should that action be within 24 hours after the judgment? Another source queried. Nigerian News understands that Jimoh has not responded yet to why he was locked up inside his office. It is yet unclear if his lock-up was due to non-payment of alleged tenement rates or have anything to do with the Abuja Federal High Court judgment he secured in favor of ex-Emir Sanusi. Nigerian News understands the said sealed place on the entrance to the main building of Jimoh's office had been removed, as at the time reporters visited the office located at number 16 Murtala Mohammed Way. A staff of the Ministry of Land who reportedly spoke with the journalist said the ministry sealed the building based on the directive from the permanent secretary. The staff further disclosed that the permanent secretary directed them to remove the seal and unlock the premises. However, many occupiers of the office said people who came to seal up the main building came along with security operatives who were armed. From investigation and interview conducted with some of the occupiers of the office, they said no police were among those that came to seal up the office, said the police public relations officer of the command, DSP Haruna Kiyawa, when contacted on the phone. Governor Ganduje is taking laws into his hands. These governors, they feel that they are above the law. If you want to appeal the judgment of the Federal High Court, then do it the normal way, not harassing. They are used to harassing and intimidating innocent citizens. Well, guys, leave us your take. Thank you once again for staying tuned. Please don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe. Till I come your way again with more updates. Bye.